Hello everybody, in this video we're going to show you a simple trick that will blow your mind. Did you know that you can multiply two numbers from 6 to 10 with just your hands? Yes, without calculators we can multiply two numbers from 6 to 10. How are we going to do that? What you do is that we first give our fingers some values. Now this will be 6, this will represent 6, this will represent 7, this 8, 9 and 10. And we'll do the same thing for the other hand also. This will represent 6, this will be 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now let's imagine we want to multiply 7 by 8. Remember we said this represents 7 and that represents 8. So this will be 7 and then 8. So 7 times 8. How do we find the answer? All that we do is that we first count the fingers that we dropped. How many fingers are lying down, or how many fingers did we drop? We have 5 fingers dropped, and each of these fingers will have a value of 10. So there will be 50. The value will be 50. Or we can just multiply the 5 fingers by 10. 5 times 10 is 50. Well, that is not the final answer. What we do next is that we have some fingers standing. On my right hand I have 2 fingers here, on my left hand I have 3 fingers. I'm going to multiply those fingers, the ones on my right hand by the ones on my left. So we have 2 fingers on my right, 3 fingers on my left. So the 2 times 3 will give us 6. 2 times 3 will give us 6. Remember that the fingers that are lying down give us a value of 50, and on the ones that are up give us a value of 6. So all that we do is that we add a 6 to the 50 that we originally got, and that will give us 56. So 7 times 8 gives us 56. Let us try multiplying two other numbers. Let us imagine we want to multiply 8 times 9. Remember, this is 8 and that is 9. I have 4 fingers down here, that is 9. So to find 8 times 9, remember we count the fingers that we dropped, and that will be, I have 3 on my left, I have 4 on my right, and that will be 7 fingers dropped. So 7 times 10 will give us 70. Or we just consider each of the fingers to be 10. Each one of them has a value of 10. So if we have 7 fingers down, that will be 70. Now the fingers that are up, we're going to multiply them. The ones on my right by the ones on my left. I have just 1 finger on my right up. So that will be 1. And then the ones here are 2. So 1 times 2 gives us 2. And then we added 2 to the 70 we originally had. And that would be 72. So 8 times 9 gives us 72. Let's do one final multiplication. Imagine you want to multiply 10 by 6. So this will be 10. All fingers will be down. All fingers will be down. That will be 10. And then 6, we'll have 6 here. So to multiply 6 by 10, let's count the fingers that are dropped. We have 5 fingers here, 1 here. So that will be 6. 6 of them dropped. So that would be 60, and then we multiply the ones standing, the fingers that are up. We have 4 fingers up here, and how many fingers do we have on my left? We have 0. 4 times 0 gives us 0, so we add a 0 to the 60, and then we have 60. So 10 times 6 is 60. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to be notified when we post new videos. Thank you.